Welcome to the Rock Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making a count with our protein stuffed cucumber.
Yes, and these are low carb and high protein, just what Mom and I need to stay healthy, fueled, and in the zone.
Just think about the high quality protein from muscle in this recipe, using eggs, tuna, and yogurt.
Next up, we have our protein brownies. How can you go wrong with protein powder, peanut butter, and sweet potato? You can't.
You can't. Absolutely.
Not only are these brownies protein packed, they are delicious and will keep your muscles stacked.
Oh, wow. And lastly, we have another great snack idea. It's our cheesy veggie fritters. They're a great choice for mindful snacking, and the rich content of vitamins, minerals, and fiber makes it a hit.
Yes, and these are things you can eat every day, any time of day. Well, you know what? You won't get tired of these at all. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Rock Living.